Okay, this is a response in a video I have here. It says, help please won't turn on my iPod Touch. Okay, I'm gonna do the same exact, show you the same exact thing what is going on with this, but this is just the second generation. You push the button up here and you won't turn on. This is gonna be the same exact thing that that you need to do. Get your iPod cord. What you got to do is plug it in. When you plug it in, you should get a message at the bottom. It'd probably say like iPod does not recognize or something like that, or won't even recognize. What you do is you're going to hold the top button right here, the home / wake, and the bottom, count that for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then hold the bottom for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now nothing's going to show up on here, and then when you open up iTunes, we'll show you here. I'm going to open up iTunes. It takes a minute or two for my iTunes to open up. On my camera, turned it off on accident, but get it up here. iPod still unresponsive, you know, but it's in DFU mode right now. I'm still waiting for iTunes to load up. And once your iTunes loads up, because I have mine shut off, so when it goes in restore, when you put this into restore mode, iTunes should pop up, unless you have checked it where so it doesn't pop up when you connect to your iPod. So I'm just waiting for it to open up now. Just note, the camera probably will shut off again during this video. It's because I'm using a real camera, and it's on basically preview mode, and I'm just like capturing it through this program right here. So it's recording still. Okay, let's make sure. Alright, iTunes is right here. Alright, now see, it says iTunes has detected an iPod in recovery mode. Okay, you see that? I'm just gonna hit exit X on this little square over here. Just exit out, and then when you get to this here, what you want to do is hold shift, then left click on it. Hold shift and then hit left click, and you will get this box right here. Then find your iPod firmware that you originally have, and then just reinstall your firmware back to your normal settings, and you should have your iPod restored back to its regular state. What I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out, because this is a second generation iPod Touch. So what I got to do for the second generation, when your iPod doesn't start, it's because you got the tether jailbreak, you have to load a program. There's two programs out there. One that jailbreaks the program, and you can reuse that one for to redo your jailbreak, or to reboot it, or they got this thing, it's called one-click boot, and I'll show you the one-click boot. It's pretty cool. It's right in here, and I'm gonna pick up the iPod, show it right here, and then you just push this one-click boot. You push it, that's all you gotta do, and it's gonna reflash everything for me. This is not for the first generation iPod. This is only for the second generation. Oh, I have it unplugged, so I'm gonna go put it back in DFU remote again. Hold the top and I'm gonna hold the bottom for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Holding the bottom. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I let go. It's still plugged in. Then I'm gonna hit the 1-click boot. It should load up. Alright, it's not. If this doesn't load up, I'm just gonna do it the old way. Alright, forget it. Once I put this down, I'm gonna do Control-Alt-Delete here and see if I got any Apple process running. When I do stuff like this, I don't like no Apple's running. Like Apple mobile device, I in-test that. And I should say like iPod services, I usually in-test that one too. That is right here, iPod service. I in-test that. Exit out of there, and then I'm just going to go into the jailbreak folder that it made for you. Then the Cywood jailbreak helper. Then you get this. I skipped it to step 5. Then I upload the DFU patch. Then I unplug it. And then I plug it back in. I get the white screen now. Then I press upload own patch bin. Then I hit next. Press me. Right click. Paste. Sorry about that. I give credit to D7. I don't know who made this Cywood jailbreak helper, but probably Cywood. But thanks for the this jailbreak. It helps out. It's a lot easier. And I found this out with D7. He helped me out with this video on how to do this. Now I'm going to enter a command of G-O. Now my iPod is going to flash when I do this. Then it'll go white screen. Then I'll hit /E-X-I-T. Exit out that little command prompt. Then I press the next one, which is called upload patch IMG. Then I hit the enter go message. I hit type in G. Oh, right when I hit do this, you'll see the Apple logo. There it is. But with the first generation iPod Touch, like I said, if it doesn't come on, don't think that it's bricked or anything, or this never going to come back on. Just hold the top button for 10 seconds, the top button, and the bottom button for 10 seconds, and hold that down for 10 seconds. Then let go of the top, this one here, let go of that, and keep holding this one down for 10 seconds. And it will put it into DFU mode, and then you open up iTunes, and it will detect that it's in recovery mode, and you can restore it from there. So you should have no problems with it. It will always work. And if it doesn't work, go back and probably re-download iTunes, because you know, something could have happened to the files. But other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped you out, and have a good day.